Hi, this is Roma from Lucintel, bringing you all your favorite market insights and trends. And today, I'm sitting in a massive John Deere autonomous tractor. Yes, you heard that right. Autonomy is making its way to agriculture and is being seen in tractors, in lawnmowers, and construction machines. And today, we're actually going to get to hear from one of the John Deere employees a bit about why is autonomy even needed in agriculture and how agriculture is getting smarter through IoT, AI, and such. So let's go hear from Greg and let me drive this big guy. We'll talk to you soon. Hi. We're here with Greg from John Deere today.
Yeah, good to be with you.
A little bit about what's going on today.
Yeah, so what we're doing this week is really revealing some of our autonomous solutions in the agricultural space. And for the last couple of years, we've had autonomy in fields, corn, soybeans, the broadacre farming. We're taking that same or similar technology into other fields of opportunity, as you will, things like orchards and vineyards, and even construction job site applications in a quarry. So, like the same or similar autonomy technology applying to different customer segments now.
And I've been seeing smart agriculture kind of pop up in various ways, whether it be IoT within the soil to check the temperature and the moisture. So agriculture is getting smart. And can you tell me exactly what is the need for autonomous tractors or autonomous construction machines? Where does this need kind of come from? What problem does it solve?
Yeah, there's a couple different needs autonomy solves. Is number one, most glaring one, at least in orchard vineyard applications, is just the availability of labor. About 50% of the tractor driving jobs in California are going unfilled. So those growers, need operators to do the important jobs to protect those orchards. A lot of redundant work gets placed. They're going up and down and applying products to those orchards to protect those orchards from pests, mold, mildew. They need to do that 8 to 15 times a year. So, having operators to operate those tractors is critical. We're helping them solve that labor challenge through autonomy. The other thing autonomy does is really job consistency and job efficacy. So that machine is going to be able to do the exact job that the farm manager tells it to do every single time, and continue to raise high quality products to give us that high quality food for the snacks and food we buy at the grocery stores and convenience stores every day.
Yeah. And you had kind of explained to me how it works. And I was wondering, so is it that it programs a certain route that it will follow within a certain field? Or how does it know? And how can it also make sure it doesn't affect other livestock like dogs or animals that are running around in the field?
Yeah, so there's a couple different elements of how autonomy works. One of the most critical ones is setting a boundary of where that tractor needs to work and where it can't work. That's done through a GPS signal where the operator is marking the boundary of that field and saying the tractor is work in this area. Some of the other elements of that is the GPS signal will help guide that tractor through the field, and when it loses that signal, that's where we have LIDAR technology that takes over, and that LIDAR can sense there's a tree here and a tree here, and that tractor needs to position itself within that tree. So there's also camera elements to that for safety. So if someone were to enter that row, that camera is going to see that, tell the machine to stop, and we need to address what's in front of us before we continue working. So a lot of redundancy built into the safety of these machines, because and keep all the operators safe and that machine performing as it should.
Okay. And so to reiterate, you guys use both cameras and LIDAR?
Yeah, it's a combination of cellular connection through modem, GPS receiver through the Starfire, LIDAR sensors, camera sensors. There's 3 different LIDAR cameras on these tractors.
Yeah, if you could show us that.
Yeah.
Great as
Let's go over here. So we're going here. This would be a LIDAR sensor here.
Yeah.
And then 3 different cameras here. There's 2 more LIDAR sensors in the back if we want to see those.
Follow this way.
So, LIDAR sensor here, LIDAR sensor over there, and 2 cameras on each side of this today. So this would be the electric version of a utility tractor that will be in the market in a few years, which will be able to work with autonomy, or an operator can drive this tractor. It's just an autonomy kit that can be applied to this tractor and have the option to utilize it either way.
Okay. And so right now we're seeing that there's a lot of parts, right? There's the LiDAR camera here and the back and the front. But you said that this can be applied to any already existing tractor, right? So like this, for example, has already been fully set up. But someone, say a farmer that already has a tractor at his disposal, would he be able to apply your technology onto his existing tractor?
Yeah, he will. So this is a new tractor that's coming in a few years. If we go over to this tractor here,
Yeah.
this is an existing tractor that customers can buy today, and this is one of the most trusted tractors in orchard vineyard applications today. So customers already have this tractor. They'll be able to buy the autonomy kit to put on this tractor and make this tractor autonomous, where they can then operate it through their phone.
Okay. So all these pieces would be applied onto their
Correct.
current tractor. And when do we kind of hope to see this come to light, being able to be actually used?
Yeah, so this tractor is available today. Things like the cellular modem, the GPS receiver, John Deere Operations Center is all available today. In the next few years, then that autonomy kit will be available that they can put on their tractors.
Yeah. And what are the challenges you guys are currently facing right now to get this fully autonomous?
I think that I would say it's more just learning, making sure we have all the safety bases covered, and testing to make sure when we do offer it to market, it's a viable working solution for the customer that's going to add value to their operation, and they can step into it, easily use the technology and put it to work on their farms.
Yeah. Awesome. And are there any other trends that you've been noticing within smart agriculture, just within farming agriculture in general?
Yeah, I think autonomy is a hot topic. The other big thing is just having the data to make better decisions within their operation. So, some of the things this technology brings is allowing that operator or farm manager to know what's getting done on their farm, have the data, and make changes the next year to do that job better, to continue to produce high quality food that we all enjoy every day.
Yeah, and these cameras, are they able to kind of see the actual plants and see, maybe be able to identify what phase of their life cycle they're in, or if they're doing well or blooming? Is that a capability?
So we have some of that technology in our bigger sprayers that it's going to learn, what is an actual plant that needs to survive and what is a weed that I need to control and take care of. So that technology will definitely evolve into other segments as well. I think for this autonomy, we're really just using that GPS signal, LIDAR sensors to take over navigation when we can't have a signal, and then the cameras for a safety element to help protect everyone out that's out in the field with those tractors.
All right. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Hey,
It was awesome
yeah.
to learn about, and it's glad to know that there's a real need for something like this in labor, and that the solution is possible very soon.
Thanks for stopping. Good talking to you.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you too.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Check out the link below to read the full article on John Deere's autonomous innovation within the agriculture industry. And this article also includes other AI and IoT device innovation within agriculture, how to make it smarter. And please check out our website to look at our consulting capabilities and market research. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.